Dear children, welcome to logical reasoning. See the first question. 3 digits are written in the box with one alphabet. If the addition of the given digits is 26, then what number will replace B? Listen here. 4 plus B plus 8 plus 9 equal to 26. See here. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 4, 21. So, B plus 21 equal to 26. So, B equal to 26. Here given plus symbol. Plus symbol come this side means that change into minus symbol. 26 minus 21. We want subtract big number to small number. 26 minus 21. 5. 26 minus 21, 5. So the answer is 5. 21 after 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So the B value equal to 5. So the answer is 5. See the second question. 11 11s are 121. Here given 4. So listen this pattern. 1 plus 1, 2. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 2s are 4. Like this, 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 4s are 16. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 6 are 36. 4 plus 4, 8. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 8s are 64. So, answer is 64. Which option correct? A option is correct. See the third question. How many 3-digit numbers can be formed using each of the given digits only once? Only once. Using these digits, you can form 3-digit number only once. See here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 3, 2. 1, 3, 2. 2, 3, 1. 2, 3, 1. 2, 1, 3. 2, 1, 3. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 1, 2. Totally how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. So the answer is 6. Let us move fourth question. 2 plus 1, 3. Here given 31. See the pattern. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 tens are 30. 30 plus 1, 31. Like this. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 tens are 50. 50 plus 1, 51. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 tens are 70. 70 plus 1, 71. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 tens are 90. 90 plus 1, 91. Like this. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 tens are 110. 110 plus 1, 111. So the answer is 111. So which option correct? A option is correct. Let us see fifth question. 22 plus 4 equal to 26. But here given 24. So listen this pattern. You leave the ones place. Leave the ones place. 2 into 10. 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 4. 20 plus 4, 24. Like this. Here also leave the ones place. 110 is 10. 110 is 10. 10 plus 6, 16. Here also leave the ones place. 8 tens are 80. 8 tens are 80. 80 plus 2, 82. Here also leave the ones place. 6 tens are 60. 6 tens are 60. 60 plus 9, 69. So answer is 69. See the sixth question. Find the missing term in the following. See here, 2 4s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 9 3s are 21. So what will come here? You say that fifth table up to 6. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 3 5s are 15, 4 5s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 6 5s are 30. So the answer is 6. Let us see seventh question. In the following grid, sum of the numbers from top to bottom is equal to sum of the numbers from left to right. Replace the question mark with correct option. See here, 30 plus 35, 30 plus 35, 65, 65. 65 plus 10, 75. Here, 5. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 75. Like this, what will come here? 28 plus 35, 63. See here, 8 plus 5, 13. 13, 3, remaining 1. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 63. See the option 42, 12, 10, 0. Say which option correct? 12 only. We want to add 12 with 63. We get 75. 75. 3 plus 2, 5. 3 plus 2, 5. 6 plus 1, 7. So the answer is 12. Let us move 8th question. Find the missing value. 150 plus 110 plus 50 minus 50 equal to 260. 145 plus 60 plus 195 minus 40 equal to 360. 76 plus 25 plus 87 minus 28. Here what will come here? See here. So we want to add 76 plus 25 plus 87. See here. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 7, 18. 18 right, 8 here. Remaining 1 right here. 7 plus 1, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 8, 18. 188. 188 minus 28. Minus 28. Same number. Here also 8, here also 8. So you can write 0. 8 minus 2, 6. Here 1. So the answer is 160. See here 160, 160, 180. So which option correct? A option is correct. See the 9th question. What will be the sum of the largest 3-digit number and the smallest 2-digit number? See here, sum of this word come means we want to add largest 3-digit number. We know already 999 and the smallest 2-digit number 10. Here we want to add 9. Here 9 plus 0, 9 only. 9 plus 1, 10. You write 0, remaining right here 1. 9 plus 1, 10. So the answer is 1009. So which option correct? A option is correct. See that 10th question. If the given values are true, then find out the value of ice cream. Here given ice cream plus plant plus apple. The total cost equal to 266. See here given plant and apple cost equal to 155. Plant plus apple, the total cost equal to 155. You find out the ice cream value only. You find out the ice cream value, you don't know. So you want to subtract. See here 6 minus 5, 1. 6 minus 5, 1. 5 after 6, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. So, what is the value of ice cream? What is the value of ice cream? 111. 111. So, the answer is 111. Which option correct? C option is correct. Thank you, children.